Greetings, viewer. So you're interested about the Toro PowerJet F700 electric blower? Well, you're in luck. The YouTube search algorithm has worked in your favor. Here's the Toro PowerJet F700. It boasts a power rating of 725 CFM at its highest setting and 568 CFM at its lowest setting, with a wind speed of 140 miles per hour at its highest setting. That's a mid-range Category 4 hurricane wind speed there, my friend. And a wind speed of 87 miles per hour at its lowest setting. Inside you will find the blower nozzle, instructional booklet that explains the usual do's and don'ts for electrical tools, along with operational and assembly instructions in English, Spanish, and French, in that order, and the blower. To assemble this, you have only two parts to mess with. You slide the blower tube onto the blower body, and you're done. You just got to make sure that the open slot on the side of the blower tube is on the same side as the tube latch. This will hold the two pieces together and it won't fly off when you turn it on. To connect the electric cord for operation, you need to fold about a foot of cord on the female end and slide it through a notch on the back end of the handle just above the pigtail cord. Pushing enough of the loop to go around and snag on a catch that's there. Set it by giving a gentle tug. You don't want to pull too hard, but you want it to catch. The extension cord you can then plug into the pigtail on the blower. Please make sure that the blower is off before doing this. Turn the speed dial all the way to the left. Just don't look at it and think it's off. Make sure it's off. Turn it to the left manually. I'm about to do a long overdue grass cutting, so there will be a lot of clippings to round up off the streets and walkways. As you can see, the grass maze pattern I'm working on for my driveway is coming along nicely. Okay, grass cutting is over. Now to clean up the clippings. I'm about 3 feet from contact and about 10 to 16 inches above the ground. I'm trying to keep the air behind the grass and not so much underneath it. The blower is set at max the entire time. It has a bit of a high-pitched noise, so I'd recommend using ear protection. The blower itself weighs 6.66 pounds plus the weight of the cord you're dragging around. So you might find yourself switching hands to avoid fatigue. There you go, all cleaned up. Let's go over the dimensions. The blower tube measures 19.5 inches in length and 3 5/8 inches on the inside diameter of the tip. The body measures 20 inches in length, 10 inches high, and 5 inches across. All dimensions are approximately plus or minus. The overall length measures 31.5 inches, or 36 inches if you include the cord, or almost 2 Shih Tzu long. Things to be mindful of. You will most likely need a 100-foot cord to move around somewhat freely. 14 gauge at that length according to the manual. Use ear protection and safety goggles, not safety glasses. Things are blown around here and they can get behind the safety glasses very easily. The variable speed is good for long term at a fixed setting, so you can just set it to the power you like and focus on the job. But a bit too handsy if you're trying to alternate airflow. A trigger would be better for that. So you will most likely just leave it running while moving from one vantage point to another. I got this blower to blow grass, so that's not much of a problem for me. If I needed it for tool cleaning, I'd get a battery one with a trigger.